Now we move forward to Excellence in Component Manufacturing. And it's renamed from Excellence in Manufacturing other than Caravan and RVs. And I invite Vic Parek, Senior Relationship Manager from the Bank of Queensland, to the stage. Thank you to the Bank of Queensland for doing a great job. Vic. Bank of Queensland, Vic Parek. Vic, the finalists are?
The finalists are Alpine Annexes and ARV Chassis. Oh, of course.
And the winner is on the other side?
Alpine Annexes.
Well done to Alpine Annexes, winner of Excellence in Component Manufacturing. Okay. Alpine Annexes.
On behalf of our team at Alpine Annexes, we would just like to say thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to receive this award. Adam is the head of our manufacturing team and he's the one who designs everything we do. But we have an amazing team behind us and they work so hard and they're so dedicated to manufacturing the best quality that we possibly can. Thank you so much for having us here tonight and congratulations to all the other winners.